All right, so we've been talking a lot about weddings. We're going to keep the theme going. How about some wedding etiquette?
Okay, this is such a good one. Here to answer your questions is etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Hi, Elaine.
So we know friendships can get messy after a breakup, but how do we navigate? Here to help us is etiquette expert, our friend Elaine Swann, who came in here. Hi, Elaine.
So here to teach us how to be on our best behavior is author and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine! Okay, girl, I got so many questions for you.
Let's talk about these, you mentioned friendship rules. I want to know what those are.
Yes. Explaining to your child there's a difference between close friends and being friendly. Etiquette would dictate that chivalry is gender-free.
Elaine Swann is an etiquette expert and founder of the Swann School of Protocol in Carlsbad and says the Me Too movement has affected today's work culture and the way men behave around their female colleagues.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
What's your name?
My name is Elaine Swann.
Oh, wow, that is beautiful.
Yes, like a swan.
Elaine, I am Kevin.
Very nice.
Good to meet you.
So that is not a proper greeting. All right. I'm an etiquette expert.
Lifestyle and etiquette expert Elaine Swann. Elaine, you're here to solve our problems.
Oh my goodness, yes. So problems do happen this time of year.
It's about to get real in relationship court. Etiquette expert Elaine Swann lays down the law. Coming up right after this. All rise. Etiquette expert Elaine Swann is presiding, and she's ready to make her rulings in Hoda and Jenna's Relationship Court Etiquette Edition.
Take a moment to spend with Audra, but Audra, you have to cut her a little bit of slack. All right? She cannot do everything with you. Maybe just one thing. So Audra, I'm going to rule for you. However, with that caveat, give her some grace.